How to make money as a record label, part 7, and we're talking about manager relations. So let's talk about this, baby. Let's talk about it. Okay, hold on. I got to pull up the notes for this one. Edit. The manager is the point person for the label, okay? The label isn't necessarily talking to the artist until they're ready to hear that final product. So that manager is the point person, and this relationship got to be good, man. The label corresponds with the manager to have the artist present for anything they need to sell this music. Now, if this relationship isn't tight, then the relationship between the label and the artist may fail, right? It may fail because the label talks to the manager more than they actually talk to the artist. Therefore, the manager is the voice for the artist until the label actually sees the artist, which is not on every occasion. Now, when this relationship is great, we see expedited growth for the artist, which means more money for the label. However, if this goes wrong, the whole operation begins to struggle, and then it goes sour, and then it falls. And we don't want that because we want to get more money, more power, and more respect with this thing here. Remember, the manager is your point of contact, your point person for that artist. Okay, and all those activities they need, and the label needs the artist present for every single thing they need to sell music. That's what the relationship is for. But if this thing goes wrong and the relationship goes sour, it will eventually struggle, it'll stifle, it'll fall, and it won't grow, and then all the relationship, it just goes bad. You know what I mean? So anyway, if you need more music business tips, follow for more music business tips and visit musicmoneymakeover.com.